In a devastating blow to the members of the Royal College of Nurses strike action, the BBC reports that the High Court has ordered the strike to be cut short, but only by 1 day, which does beg the question as to why the government carried on with the action if it was only going to challenge 1 day, albeit ultimately it said that it could have challenged the validity of the entirety of the strike because of the strict time limits and mandate, albeit only ended up contesting one part of it, which fell on the 2nd of May, which is Tuesday. Ahead of this court hearing, the Royal College of Nursing has said that it would accept the judgment, as it would never do anything illegal, but at the same time accusing the Health Secretary of bullying nurses and using draconian anti-trade union legislation. Now, of course, everybody probably understands what the strikes are about and why they are going on, but broadly speaking, it's because wages are not keeping up with inflation. So I thought I would take you very briefly to the Office of National Statistics to take a quick look at what wages are worth and what they need to do to stay in line with inflation. So according to this quick results chart that I've set up here, if you were earning £30,000 in order to keep up with the current rate of inflation, it would need to go up to £32,670, which would be a pay increase of £2,670. But of course, most areas of work are not receiving such rates of pay increase to keep up with inflation, and therefore, ultimately, your money next year, what you are paid, is not going to buy the same amount of stuff as it does this year. In other words, everything is going to be much more expensive. You can afford less and less as time goes on. So year on year, if your pay increase does not stand in line with inflation, the value of your money is going down, the value of what you can buy is going down, and of course, that's going to put you in significant difficulty. Now, I am setting up a number of videos on my sister channel, Black Belt Secrets, which if you take a look in the description below, you will find it linked there. And I will be talking a lot about different ways of saving money, making money, and generally improving the quality of your lifestyle. So please do head over there and check that out. I have surpassed 60,000 subscribers on this channel, but I would be very grateful for many, many more. So if you have questions of myself as a business person, an entrepreneur, a lifelong entrepreneur, I've never worked for anybody else, but also obviously a barrister running my own law firm, my own chambers, my own businesses, and of course, belatedly, my own YouTube channels. So if you want to ask me questions on finance and lifestyle and how to generally improve the quality and standard of your living, check out Black Belt Secrets linked in the description below. But in the meantime, I do feel for everybody taking part in these strikes because they are obviously taking a great toll on not just them as dedicated workforce, but also the entirety of the country. For the longer that these go on, the more that they affect everybody else. So these strikes obviously affect everybody. So this is quite disappointing, really, to see that action against the strike action when there really should be discussion about fair pay. But of course, everyone is each to their own views, and you can leave your views and discuss that in the comment section below. In the meantime, please do remember to like this video and subscribe. I appreciate you watching and subscribing, and I will see you all next time.